Good morning. You know, I was riding along here, had a thought come into my mind. What'd you want to be when you grew up? You know, I wanted to be a bunch of things. When I was a little bitty boy, I wanted to be a truck driver like my daddy. Then as I got a little older, I wanted to be some kind of electronics guru. Heck, I even wanted to be a preacher at one time. I can't see me preaching now. People say I got a little bit of the salesman attitude for it. But, yeah, I don't think I could be a preacher. I just don't think I could do that. But you know, as we go through this world, we grow up, get married, buy a house, have some youngins, and you look back on yourself and come to find out you ain't doing nothing you thought you'd be doing when you was a small child. I remember when I was a little boy, I thought I'd be riding the road. Well, I'm riding the roads now, but I ain't moving no 40 ton down the road either. Some of y'all know it, some of you don't, but I work on cranes for a living. Overhead cranes. You know, the type that's in warehouses and stuff, moving material from one place to the other. Some are big, some are small. Right now I got a contract with this little old army base down here. Some of y'all might know it, Fort Bragg, North Carolina. And that's what I'm doing now. Pretty big change from what I thought I'd be doing as a little boy. Getting back to the point I was making there. You grow up, get married, buy you a house, have some youngins. You know what really matters when you grow up? You go to work, you pay your bills, and you don't do meth. Be a man, you know? We got all this toxic masculinity going on. Yeah, it's me, that's bullshit. A man's got to be a man. A man's got to get out every day and try to make something. Whether it's making something with his hands or making something with his mind. And 9 times out of 10, that something needs to be money. You got a family at home. And that family at home is counting on you to bring home what they need to survive. Because your youngins didn't ask to be brought here onto this earth. But it's your job to take care of them. Make sure they got what they need. Now, whether your youngins are living with you or not, that don't matter. Because you still got to provide for them youngins. Children, kids, whatever you want to call them. Obviously, I'm from the South, so we say youngins. Now, I know for a fact, because I've got 2 older kids from a marriage before the one I'm in now. I didn't see them like I should have. Didn't spend the time with them that I should have. But that's neither here nor there. But you know what I always did? I made sure them babies had what they needed. Whether it was through paying my child support or calling their lovely mother and asking her if she needed something. She hardly ever asked me for anything. But I still put it out there and let her know that if she needed something, she could call me. I'd do everything I could to get it for them kids. Those kids are 19 and 18 years old now, by the way. But the point of the fact is, whether you want to be a truck driver when you grow up, a preacher, lawyer, or a dang on crane man, get up, go to work, provide for your family, just do the best that you can. You're going to have slack days. Some days you're even going to be a slack ass. But you know you got to get up and keep going. Because there's more than just you relying on you. And with that, I'm going to say see y'all later. Little dirty windshield diary for you. We'll see y'all.